Good morning, everyone, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ash Arya, and today our group would like to talk about a serious problem that affects the very foundation of a democracy, the problem of duplicate voting in India, and our idea to solve it through technology under the VBB, Viksit Bharat Buildathon. India is the world's largest democracy with over 900 million registered voters. Every election, millions of people exercise their right to vote. However, along with these great achievements comes a major issue: duplicate and fraudulent voting. Duplicate voting happens when one person votes more than one, either by using fake voters' ID, impersonating another voter, or exploiting errors in the voter database. This not only distorts election results but also undermines public trust in our democratic system. Let's look at the reason behind the problem. First, manual voter identification. Currently, most voters are verified through their voter ID card and photo. However, fake IDs and human errors make this process unreliable. Second, lack of biometric integration. True Aadhaar and has biometric data. It is not directly linked to the voting process due to privacy and policy issues. Third, limited accessibility for disabled voters. Physically challenged citizens often rely on others for assistance, which sometimes lead to misuse or misrepresentation. To address these challenges, our group proposes a technological innovation, an upgraded version of electronic voting machine (EVM) that uses fingerprint detection and a special card slot for disabled voters. How a solution works. When a voter comes to cast a vote, they will place their finger on a fingerprint scanner built into the EVM. The machine will instantly verify the voter's identity from the central election database. If the fingerprint matches and the person has not voted yet, the system will unlock the voting panel. If a duplicate or invalid fingerprint is detected, the machine will display an alert preventing multiple votes. Second, for disabled voters, we propose a smarter voter card slot. The voter can insert their unique card that stores their verified biometric or personal data. The machine will then authenticate them automatically, ensuring accessibility without compromising security. Benefits of our system: eliminates duplicate and fake votes by ensuring one person can vote only once, increases transparency and trust in elections, saves time and reduces manpower needed for verification, ensures inclusivity by making voting accessible for differently abled. Privacy and security. We understand that storing biometric data raises privacy concerns. That's why our system would follow strict encryption standards and work only within the election network, ensuring that voter data remains safe and confidential. And conclusion, to sum up, our idea combines technology, security, and inclusivity to make India's elections more transparent and trustworthy. By using fingerprint verification and a cast slot for disabled voters, we can move one step closer to a future where every vote counts and counts only once. Thank you.